Most people wait for motivation to take action. They wait to feel ready. They wait for the perfect moment. But here's the brutal truth. That moment never comes. Winners don't wait. Winners force themselves to act, especially when they don't feel like it. This is the art of forcing yourself to win. And if you master it, you'll unlock a kind of power most people never discover. Let's start here. Winning isn't supposed to feel easy. If it did, everyone would be successful. First, your brain is wired for comfort, not growth. It's built for survival, not success. Comfort feels safe. Discomfort feels dangerous. That's why laziness and procrastination come so naturally. Second, your emotions lie. If you wait to feel like it, you'll never take action. Your emotions will whisper, later, tomorrow, not now. And if you listen, you'll stay stuck where you are. Third, motivation is temporary. It gets you started, but it never keeps you going. The truth is, winners don't rely on motivation. They rely on discipline. So, what does it actually mean to force yourself to win? It means doing the thing you don't want to do. Because your future self needs you to. Forcing yourself to wake up when the alarm goes off. Forcing yourself to start working when you'd rather scroll. Forcing yourself to push through one more rep when your body says stop. It's not punishment, it's training. Training your brain to obey your long-term goals instead of your short-term feelings. That's what separates the average from the unstoppable. The tools to force action. First, use the 5-second rule. When hesitation kicks in, count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move. Action kills hesitation. Every single time. Second, design your environment for success. Want to force yourself to win? Remove distractions and create friction against bad habits. No junk food in the house if you're dieting. Phone in another room when you're working. Gym clothes laid out the night before. Third, commit publicly. Tell someone your goal. Post it online. The fear of embarrassment can be powerful fuel. Fourth, break resistance with small wins. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for start. Do one push-up. Write one sentence. Small actions destroy the excuse loop. And once you start, momentum takes over. Finally, visualize your future self. Before quitting, ask yourself, what would my future self thank me for? Right now, that one question pulls you out of the present and forces you to think long-term. Forcing yourself doesn't make life easier. It makes you stronger. Each time you act despite resistance, you're building proof. Proof that you can move without motivation. Proof that you can trust yourself. And that confidence compounds. Soon, you'll stop waiting for chances and start creating them. You'll realize something powerful. You will never feel like it. So take one thing from today, one habit, one commitment, one decision, and act on it before this day is over. Not tomorrow. Not when the timing feels right. Now. Because the people you admire most didn't wait for the perfect moment. They built discipline in the imperfect ones. If this resonated with you, subscribe to Easy English Class on YouTube, where we cut through the noise and focus on what actually moves the needle.